Hello and welcome. This is Rafi. I'm a professional freelancer with 100% job success rate on Upwork. I'm pretty successful freelancer on Fiverr with 5-star ratings. I'm going to conduct this beginner friendly course where you are going to learn about an easy research job which you can provide to your clients by working from home and make money on Fiverr. So the job I am talking about is a very basic research job where you have to find suitable Instagram profiles based on some criteria given by your client. So here I have completed this project. As you can see, find Instagram influencer for your brand, and the budget was 20. This is one job. Here is another one. Here is another one, another one, another one, and I have got many more jobs which I have completed for this gig. So now if you want to ask me like what is the demand of this job on the freelance marketplace, so here I am on Fiverr and I have made a search, find best Instagram influencer for this exact service. I'm going to open the first gig from here, and you are going to see this guy who is providing the exact same service which I have provided through these gigs, and he already have 1225 reviews from his customers with 5-star rating. And at this current moment when I'm making this video, he is working with 20 different clients. Just imagine what is the demand. And here, as you can see, as the description of the gig pricing, he is providing 5 niche influencers or the Instagram profiles which you're going to research and find, and then he's going to provide 5 email templates. I'm going to give you these email templates in this course, and then how to negotiate plus influencers and Instagram tips. I'm going to attach these documents as well into the resource section of this course, so you will be completely ready. You will learn every single steps to do Instagram profile research, how you can find Instagram influencers for your clients, and then you will get all this information, all these templates and other things to get success on Fiverr. So if you're interested to work from home and if you don't have good knowledge or experience on any other things, you can start working by doing very simple Instagram research job. So please get enrolled in this course, and I have to see you in the next videos.